Hello and welcome to the next lecture on adding pages to your website. In this lecture we are going to be adding some live pages to our website. So again, we're going to start from the WordPress dashboard here. You're going to go down to Pages. You can see that there's one page added, and this was pre-populated in there just to show you what a page will look like. So to add a page, you click up here, Add New. So we're going to add the first page, just call it Portfolio. This is where we're going to show a portfolio of the work that this interior design company does. We'll add the content later. For now, we're just going to add the title on the right here. We have to click the template of this page. So the default template has a sidebar on the right of the page where you can put widgets, and we'll talk about that later, but I actually don't want that. I'm going to have it a full width page. And then I'm going to click Publish. And then we can see View Page up here. So right now there's nothing here. There's just a title and no content. Let's go back to our dashboard. Go back to Pages. And you can see that now our portfolio page is here. We're going to add a new page. And let's call it Contact Us. And again, I want this to be a full width page. Publish it. And go back to Pages. Now we have the Contact Us page. We're going to add a new page. I'm going to call this one Featured Projects. And this is just going to be a page where they highlight a couple of their recent or really interesting projects. And I'm going to want this to be full width too. Publish. And back to Pages. Add new. So this page here, I'm going to call this Blog. So this is going to be a page where the user can access the recent blog articles that we post. So for this one, for template, I actually want to choose blog. And now it's whenever I submit a new blog article, it's automatically going to be posted to this page. So we'll publish that. And you can see the one kind of pre-populated blog article that was already there has shown up here. And this one, because I didn't put full width, it's actually going to have this sidebar on here too, but that's okay because this sidebar we're going to use to search through past blog articles, that kind of stuff. Let's go back to the dashboard. All pages. Just so you can see, these are all the pages we have now. We're going to add another one. I'm going to call this one About Us. And this is also going to be a full width page. On this one I'm going to add a bit of content. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a photo. So we can go to Add Media, which is where you'd use to add a photo. And right now all we have in our library is these two pictures, but we're going to upload one. Select the file, and I'm going to choose this photo of an interior designer that I've put in this folder on my desktop. So there it is. Click Insert into Page. So there we have this photo. And then I'm also going to add some content, just a little blurb. Actually, I'm going to take this photo and I'm going to click Align Center. So now it's going to be on the center of the page. And I'm going to input just a little blurb about her too. So I have that here. So there we go. We'll put that into the page. Publish it. And here what I've done, let's just redo it. I'm going to insert link, and basically whenever the user clicks that word, they're going to link to a different page. So I'm going to have it linked to a new page. So that was contact, so I'm going to have it linked to the contact us page. So let's just do that one more time. Link to the contact us page, add link, and you can see this is the same thing for the portfolio page here. It's going to link to the portfolio page. So we'll update that. And now we can view this page. There we go. Here's the content, a photo of her, a little blurb about her. We're going to format this a bit nicer when we use the Shortcodes Ultimate. But for now, this is what you can do. If you wanted this to look a bit better, maybe you could pick a bigger photo of her. You know, there's various ways you can do this to format it. For now, we just want to add some content, so we have that here. So we're going to go back to Pages. Add new page. And we're just going to add the last page called Testimonials. And that is also going to be a full width page. And here we're going to insert, we're going to use a shortcode for this first time. So we're going to insert shortcode. We're going to pick quote. So default, fine. When it says site, this is going to be who the quote's from. So we're going to use the manager of a ski chalet. What's the actual quote? This was pre-populated in from when I added this before. Insert shortcode. There it is. We're going to add one more. Insert shortcode. Quote. Let's use this one. It's thinking for some reason. There we go, change to a new person. And we're going to put a new quote in here. Insert shortcode. So let's publish that. View that. So there you go. Now there's two quotes on this page in the testimonial section. So that's just a quick and easy example of how you can use shortcodes to format something in a nice way without really having to know any coding. So those are the pages that we have right now. Those are all the pages that we actually are going to use for this website. We're going to format them a little bit better and add menus and stuff in the next section, but for now you can see all the pages that we have here. Under the Pages tab, for each page you can edit it, you can delete it, or you can just view it. So basically that's it for adding pages. We'll move on to the next lecture now.